pop in for a pale ale and some jelly deals at the Queen Vic pub backstage at Hyde Park this weekend, and you'd better mind your P's and Q's, or Adele will be yelling at you to get out of my pub. The singer is a huge EastEnders fan, so naturally the writer for her two BST Hyde Park shows included the Queen Vic. And, just as Dan Watts used to make sure that what his Princess Sharon wanted, his Princess Sharon got, organizers went along with the fun and set up a bar for Adele and her friends and family. A source said, the Queen Vic bar is for her nearest and dearest, and Adele is expected to join everyone later at some point to have a drink or two. Let's hope that there's not a get out of my pub moment. Adele plays the first of her two Hyde Park shows tonight, with an all-female lineup that included Gabrielle and Casey Musgraves. Hello singer Adele, 34, now lives in Los Angeles, but the Londoner still keeps up with the BBC One soap's shenanigans in Walford. In 2015, she delighted fans with a Christmas message, admitting, "I'm in my dressing gown eating Chinese watching EastEnders." She is also close friends with Sid Owen, 50, who played Ricky Butcher. Adele has told friends she is laser-focused on delivering the best show possible after the disappointment of her Vegas residency being cancelled because of COVID in January. She shared photos of herself in rehearsals for Hyde Park, dressed casually and drinking tea with lemon to help her voice. She last performed in the UK at Wembley Stadium in June 2017. A pal said, she has thrown everything into rehearsals to ensure the show is a huge hit. It doesn't come much bigger than Hyde Park. Hollywood actors Tom Cruise and Will Ferrell were expected to be at the gig. The Rolling Stones play the park tomorrow, with Duran Duran and Pearl Jam next week. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.